Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Morgan. Thank you so much for joining us. If your skincare routine isn't giving what it's supposed to give, today's video is for you. Sometimes it's not the product. It could be how you're using it, what you're pairing it with, or maybe you're just using way too many. Today, we're breaking down the real reasons why our skincare might not be working for us and how we can fix it. Reason number one, your skincare routine is too complicated. One of the most common reasons your skincare might not be working for you is because you're doing way too much. Too many steps, too many actives, too many changes, and way too often. If you're layering 7, 8, 10 different skincare products daily, your skin may not be able to keep up. Remember, your skincare is cumulative. That means it's not always about what you add, but what you stick with consistently that really makes the difference. So what does a solid skincare routine actually look like? Stick with the essentials. That includes a cleanser. Of course, we have to cleanse our skin both morning and night. Your cleanser is going to wash away all of the dirt, the makeup, and excess oil that builds up on our skin throughout the day. So it's really important that we cleanse our skin. Step 2 is your toner. Now, this step gets debated a lot, but personally, I love a hydrating toner. And I really see a difference when I'm using a toner with my skincare and when I'm not. Toners are meant to rebalance your skin's pH after cleansing. It gives your skin that first level of hydration, and it can help your serums absorb better into your skin. Step 3 then is your serum. This is where you bring in your treatment step. Think vitamin C, peptides, niacinamide. It could be brightening, it could be firming, it could be hydrating. There are so many different serums out there. Step 4, and my favorite step, is moisturizer. Your moisturizer is going to lock in hydration and support your skin barrier. And lastly, you absolutely cannot forget SPF. You want to use at least an SPF 30 every morning, every single day. So that's it, right? That's pretty simple. 5 steps: cleanse, tone, serum, moisturizer, SPF. From there, you can thoughtfully add or remove steps one by one. Reason number 2, you might be applying your products in the wrong order. Even if you're using great products, the order matters more than people realize. Your skin absorbs products based on texture. If you layer a thick cream first and then try to apply a lightweight serum, that serum is likely not gonna go anywhere. And you've kind of just wasted a step and a little bit of product. Here's your golden rule: thinnest to thickest. That's how you should apply all of your skincare products. So after cleanser, think of your toner like water. The consistency is, really just like water. You apply that one first. You now know your serum goes after your toner. That's usually lightweight and active packed. That goes next. Then comes your moisturizer. Your moisturizer is a bit thicker, so it always comes after serum. Not only does this layering method help your products to work better, but it also reduces the chances of piling. Piling is that annoying residue that rolls off your skin when your products aren't layered right. So the most important thing to remember when it comes to layering your skincare products is to always go from thinnest to thickest. Number 3, your products may not go together. Even good skincare products can work against each other. For example, using a foam or exfoliating cleanser that strips your barrier followed by a strong vitamin C brightening serum, those two wouldn't pair well. Or you could be combining way too many actives. That's just irritation overload. So what's a complementary routine? A great combo could be a gentle cleanser, so something gel or cream, a hydrating toner, a niacinamide or peptide serum, a barrier repairing moisturizer, and your SPF. A simple routine can be very effective. Speaking of barrier repair, reason number 4 is that your barrier, your skin barrier, can be damaged or disrupted. This is a really big one, especially if your skin feels tight and just irritated. maybe out of control and you're feeling like nothing is working. Your skin barrier is your body's front line, okay? It's very important. It keeps hydration in and all of the irritants, all of the bad stuff out when it's damaged from over exfoliating, using way too many acids. Your skin becomes reactive, dry, and even more prone to breakouts. And the truth is that most of us have a compromised barrier without even realizing it. So what do? You focus on repairing your barrier. That means streamlining your skincare routine to focus only on that issue. Not brightening, not firming, not collagen boosting, but strengthening, soothing, and restoring. I think a great barrier repairing routine is a gentle cleanser, something hydrating, something gel, a serum with antioxidants, a barrier repairing moisturizer, and of course your SPF. I have a full chit chat video on how to fix your skin barrier, really simple and practical steps that you could follow to get your barrier back intact. I will link it right here for you to watch. So those are a few reasons why your skincare products may not be working for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. If you're looking for some barrier support, I actually created a barrier supporting face moisturizer. I've opened up our product waitlist. I also have another video where I talk all about it that I can link here as well for you to check out, but the product waitlist is going to be linked in the description box. I love skincare so much and it is such a joy to share all of this information with you all. I'll see you in my next video.